So let's find the fraction that's halfway between, exactly halfway between 1/2 and 2/3. A few ways you could do this. You could add these together and divide by 2, but I find it's a little quicker to do it this way. So what I'm going to do is get the denominator to be the same. So I could multiply numerator, denominator here by 3 over 3. Over here, I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2. That way I get 3/6, which is the same as 1/2, and here I get 4/6, which is the same as 2/3. And that's really nice because now I have the same denominator. I'm going to compare the numerators. So I want to know what's halfway between 3 and 4. And I'll just add 3 plus 4 and divide by 2. That'll tell me what's halfway between 3 and 4. So 7 over 2, that equals 3.5. So the fraction halfway between 3/6 and 4/6, or you could say 1/2 and 2/3, is 3.56. I don't really like to have this decimal here, so let's just double it. 2 times 3.5 is 7. 6 times 2 is 12. And you end up with the fraction halfway between 1/2 and 2/3. That is 7/12. Same answer you'd get if you added these together and then divided by 2. But this might be a little bit easier to understand. That's it. This is Dr. B. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.